My name is Gilbert Leal. I'm the athletic director at Brownsville ISD. Here talking about a VCRNOW system that we have here at historical Sam Stadium here in Brownsville, Texas. It's an incredible system that we've been using here since this fall. Unbelievable system. Everybody that comes in here to our opponents in our football games come up. As soon as they walk into the stadium, they look up, see this monster TV screen. It's been a tremendous opportunity for everybody here in Brownsville, Texas, to be able to come to a Friday night experience here in Texas, South Texas, and be able to have this powerful system, be able to generate the interest, be able to provide some financial support for our school district, and be able to produce one of those Friday night experiences that's unlike any else in South Texas. One of the concerns that we had here, being at Sam Stadium, is we do have an old setup here up in our press box. So talking with some other school districts that have been able to use this system, we didn't think that we'd have enough room to be able to power a powerful system like this up in our press box. So that concern was immediately taken away from us. We did visit some school districts that had VCRNOW systems, and being able to utilize the space that we have in our scoreboard area, we had more than enough room to be able to power everything that we needed to be able to put on a Friday night experience that we needed. One of the things that's been really comfortable about us working here at Brownsville Athletics is the customer service that we've received the whole time through this transition. We are very close to the border, and we had some technical issues of low sea levels and things like that with the digging on this. Every single step that we worked, every single step that we used working with VCRNOW was a positive experience. We troubleshooted each of the problems that we had successfully, and like I said, now they were always one phone call away to be able to take care of all of our customer service needs. Having a system like this has been very beneficial for us here in Brownsville. We're looking forward to be able to open up the opportunities that we have with this system. I know we probably only utilize about 25 or 30% of everything that this system is capable of doing. We're looking forward to be able to expand this to our soccer presentations, which is very important to us here in Brownsville, and also to be able to use this system for some world-class track and field systems, as well as our graduation here in Brownsville ISD. So I want to thank everybody at VCRNOW. It's been a very positive experience. Like I said, we're looking forward to having this wonderful relationship with them in the future.